Namaskaram. Namaskaram, Neena teacher. Namaste, Rohini.
Namaskar, Neena teacher. I'm also calling you Neena teacher now.
So, firstly, I would like to welcome all the viewers to the premiere of the showcase of Rohini and Neena teacher's mentorship partnership. A series. The series is associated with an NGO called Varya Foundation, which is run by my family. And of course, we are all doing this obviously with an objective to promote art and look at art with a different perspective. Not only that, also to spread the cause of our foundation. That is why it's called Dance for a Cause. So I hope all of you can, have a look at what the work that our NGO is doing for underprivileged children and for the underprivileged society in Mumbai, Kerala, and other parts of India, and support us in our cause. So, saying that, thank you once again, teacher, and thank you, Rohini, for being a part of this beautiful journey. They have been working together for almost a month now, and Rohini has finally been able to showcase a small work in progress through this experience of, being mentored under Dr. Neena Prasad. So, I think teach a few words before we start the formal interview.
Sure. Namaskaram, all viewers. It is certainly, a thing of wonder which Prathiroop have launched. It's a very unusual cross connection, cross cultural, perhaps artistic event that is being launched, and I sincerely, not only thank her but also like to encourage Divya in this regard for bringing novel ideas into art services and activities. When you first said about this Prathiroop plan, I was just wondering how this can work out, because we can talk, we can communicate, talk for hours to another dancer, but something concrete coming as a artistic choreography, because like a language would differ in its ethos and its heritage and culture, there is certainly cultural differences between us. So hence, even while we are under the umbrella of classical dances and the tradition, we also have this practical difficulties to concretize the idea and bring it into a choreography, as I already explained. And hence I had a doubt about this, but bringing as a very fantastic and enthusiastic dancer as Rohini, a young artist, I felt that it was, going to be, it can happen. It can happen in the initial stages. But of course, she's sprouting dancer, and when it comes to creative process, there are a lot many things which you have to go through, and I'm there. She's new to me, I'm new to her. But then she was very patient, where she was very hearing, very, very sensible and very understanding to work with. So hence I really love the experience in total. Yes. Thank you, Divya, and thank you, Rohini, for making me proud and being very fulfilling Prathiroop plans.
Thank you, teacher, for your kind words. So, Rohini, I would like to hear from you before we start. Like in a gist, what do you like? How has this 1 month been with you, and how has this mentorship with Neena teacher been for you?
So first and foremost, this is my first choreographic experience. And
is it?
Yes, and
you are destined to be with me.
Yes, and I did something. I did the first choreography in a such a challenging way. You know, the language is very different, and somehow trying to understand each other's language, trying to give shape to whatever we are trying to communicate. So it was actually a big learning process for me, a big, and I was thinking that I wish we could have met, personally and physically, and take things, do together. But yeah, and I would say that because of this pandemic, at least this happened, at least this much happened, and I could able to do something with all my learnings, whatever I'm learning from my guru Sharmila ji, and she been another like a great choreographer. And I was always thinking that maybe I'm just watching her. Probably I don't know whether I will be doing it or not, whether I have learned it or not. But through this project I realized that, yeah, that I, if not all, at least I have learned a little bit, maybe a drop. But thank you, Nina ji, for always encouraging me. She's always say, yeah, yeah, it will look nice, it will do good. When I was absolutely in a deep sea, I don't know whether will it work or not, but she was always supporting me, encouraging me. And thank you to Divya for coming up with such a beautiful initiative for us, like for young artists like us, and giving us the opportunity to learn from great gurus like Nina ji and others. Thank you.
Okay, so I will move on to quick five questions. We will talk more specific to the piece that you have worked on, so that when the audience watches the piece, they get a better idea as to how it was conceptualized, what's the thought behind it. So, first question for me to Rohini is, and then we'll ask that to Nina teacher, is how do you think a viewer, because it's a virtual medium, should view the piece that you're going to showcase? We know it's a work in progress; it's not a complete piece. So, what do you think? How should a viewer view that piece?
uh, as you have already mentioned that it is in work in progress. I have just done an excerpt um, of the character of and I would ask the viewer to enjoy whatever they're watching. I have tried to do and emote the emotions, or the turmoil of Kaikeyi as a mother, as a as a queen. And I would like that audience should go through that journey. It's a very small piece. So, and I just want to, I just want the viewer, to enjoy the music, to enjoy the dance, to enjoy it as a piece. And if I get another opportunity, then I will definitely work on this. I don't know, and probably I'll uh, delve into more intricate and more profound side of the character. That what I want to do. But as of now, it's absolutely a work in progress. We did over a month.
Thank you, Rohini. So, Nina teacher, what after you have obviously watched Rohini's final showcase piece, we have premiered it specially to Nina teacher. So, teacher, what do you feel after you have watched it, and how do you think a Rasika? Obviously, there's so much work gone into it, and there has been so much guidance and mentorship that's happened. So, how do you think they should view it? And what are the points that you would like them to uh, kind of, make a note of when they see it?
Maybe I will tell you, you people are going to watch a brilliant piece. This is going to be one of the
Thank you.
brilliant performances in Pratiroop, I am sure. So she has amazed me in her way of presenting this, and it is something which I felt very happy seeing the final product. Of course, her mother, that is her guru, is there. Of course, she told me she has given her studios and contributed to her. Of course, that touch of finesse within the initial stage of a choreography is there, you know, but it smells fresh. See, I can understand uh, what the problems which she had faced during the clashes which she has gone through as a first piece. As a artist with experience, I can advise her to work here and there and all that. But in spite of its, you know, scopes for improvement and development, she, with her experience, she has earned from her learning and performing, she has put it as a very beautiful thing to enjoy. That small piece, it will carry, I'm sure it will carry throughout, you know, there's no bore and there's no, it goes very fast and she touches all the frames of the story. But of course, in a virtual media, this she has presented it very, very well. Of course, which she knows that she can improve on and develop. Not only improve. Improve is not the word, because whatever, see, any work for that matter, even when I do, there are scopes for improvement. Any other, this improvement is not the word, you know, that is always, but she can work on it. Now, I think Rohini understood the way of, you know, how to explore things.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that moments which she got from this creative process is what I think is very important. Not the presentation, you know, the ways, the clashes, the dilemmas, the frustrations, which are very, very, very important, sweet, you know, what tortures, which will bring out the final babe out, you see, the product out. So I'm very happy when she said that this is my first creative work.
Yes.
And I'm very happy that it had happened
Under you.
I was being part of it.
I love how you have put it, teacher, so nicely. Sweet tortures. Nothing else to add in that.
Yeah, because this is how we also have gone. You know, when she went through, I was nurturing those moments which I, you know, went through when I was doing my first choreography.
So, I'll just ask one more question. I think because we have covered so many gamuts of
Yes.
things that I wanted to ask is one. So I'll ask Neena teacher first. One memory and one takeaway from this project and interaction. You know, overall with Rohini, with Varya Foundation, all the mentors coming together, the idea. So one takeaway and one or a memory that you think that you will share it.
See, I cherish this as one of the very important event or an incident that has happened in these tough times, because it, on one side, it makes me very important and valid as an artist, you know, beyond the geographic you know, limitations I could speak to. And we were actually bringing out something. It's a very sweet thing every time. See, a choreography or a creative process is the most precious thing for an artist. Nothing beyond that for me. Okay, so this Pratharup has given such an opportunity to at least think of something. And I should tell you, I should congratulate Rohini, because see, there are so many things which wasn't possible at her end. You know, if she couldn't uh, find the text which she was looking for, she couldn't make the music happen in the way she looked for, and so many things. But with the pressure, but with the you have to do in this till the day, uh, what the deadline was there. You know, so many things are there. And at a point, she must have thought that, okay, this is not going to happen through me. But yes, you have to do it. And, and I was feeling like, children are children, be it like my students or Rohini, being trained up with, the sprouting difficulties are the same. So it was so very, very enjoyable for me. It was very, very enjoyable for me. And, correcting small things, it is just like, I felt like her being as one of my students only. It was
Thank
so
you.
warm. She was very warm person and a very long way to go. I'm sure she will be very successful because
Thank
whatever she does, she makes it brilliant in the where it is needed. And she said, that's a speciality of a guru, I think. See, there is a lot of bodily kinetics being put to. When we say that, see, in a Mohiniyattam point of view, I might think that, okay, it could be theatrically more, worked and all, but that can be added. These days, I feel that dance, uh, that Odissi should be felt, and that is there.
Before we conclude, Rohini, I'll ask you the same question. What is your takeaway and your most memorable, period during this entire series of a month? Actually, more than a month. It's almost a month and a half now. Long experience with Varya Foundation's Pratiroop.
So, firstly, I'm thankful to you and Nina ji that because of Warrior Foundation and because of Nina ji, I got the confidence that okay, fine, now I can try things out. So, thank you. And the best part of the whole process is, apart from being confident, I realized few things like which I took from Mohiniyattam from Nina ji is how to speak with eyes. Like when my eyes, like I still remember, like we have our Zoom meetings, and when she used to emote with eyes, like certain like small sentence, she used to use only the eyes. So for me, I felt that I should be using these, like as the dance or as the piece proceed, I will be using these qualities of how to express. So that's a great learning from Nina ji. And as I was telling you and everyone, that Nina ji has given me that freedom. She has always say that you do, I'll then watch it, and then I'll say. Then I really liked when I have used one like this thing. Remember Nina ji has taught me. I just cut and I just put it there. I felt it's so horrible. It was the step which was needed for the entire piece, like the portion. So there are lots of things, I can't count and I can't say that I have learned this, that. So it's a process, and of course I've learned. The whole journey is full of learning. I can't pinpoint and say that I've learned this, I've learned that. So whatever I've learned, I've tried to put in the piece, the excerpt I'm doing. And as I said, that I've tried to express through my eyes. I like, I don't know how it will look, but I have tried my level best. So yes.
Awesome. Thanks, Rohini. Now I think we are very excited to finally watch your showcase. So with this, I would like to conclude the Pratiroop series for Nina Teacher and Rohini. I would humbly like to show, my gratitude. I don't know how to show it virtually. To, agree to be a part of it, and being the first showcase, I'm super excited.
Great start for her, good going. She has to go
Thank you.
much
Thank you
further.
for all your
And
blessing, Nina ji.
it is something which I would like to shower upon her, and it's nice.
Thank you for all your blessings, Nina ji. And I hope that we meet soon.
Sure. God's grace be with you, and of course to my dear Nivya. They got it out.
Yeah,
This
Divya,
is
lots of
not
love to you.
possible.
Lots
Okay.
of love to you, Divya. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
Thank you all for being a part of this Pratiroop series. Before we end, I would like to say that a lot of fun talking to both of you.
Yes.
Process.
Of course, I enjoyed.
Yes.
So let's conclude with this. What sweet tortures and Pratiroop hook step.
The Prabhiroop, yes.
Let's do it.
Teacher together over a photo na. And 3. We cannot beat your beauty, teacher.
Yeah.
With you.
Wow, young beauties.
Sherry teacher. So thank you all
Okay.
once again. We will
Thank you. Night.
to seeing the showcase soon. Bye.
Bye.
In this Pratiroop project, I was fortunate to be mentored by Dr. Neena Prasad. And under her mentorship, today I will be presenting my piece, Kaikei. Kaikei is a solo dance piece based on Odissi, which deals with the emotional and introspective journey of Queen Kaikei from Ramayana. This entire piece is in work in progress. I realize that there are multiple layers of Kaikei which needs to be revisited from different angle, and a further explanation and exploration is needed. In this limited time of 1 month, I have tried to do a short excerpt of Kaikei under the guidance of Guru Neena Prasad ji. Today I present Kaikei.
अवध नगरी माँ सौभाग्य छाए, श्री राम आए, देखो श्री राम आए। हते थिनक दिनी धते थिनक दिनी धते थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक हते थिनक दिनी धते थिनक दिनी धते थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक। श्री राम आए सौभाग्य छाए, श्री राम आए सौभाग्य छाए। धई धई नक दिनी धई धई नक दिनी धई धई नक दिनी नक दिनी नक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक। बोलो रामचंद्र की जय जय, बोलो रामचंद्र की जय जय। धई तनक दिनी तनक दिनी तनक दिनी नक दिनी नक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक। सौभाग्य छाए श्री राम आए, सौभाग्य छाए श्री राम आए। तधि तनक दिनी तधि तनक दिनी धई 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 तनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी धात्रिक थिनक दिनी नक दिनी नक। सिया वर रामचंद्र की जय, सिया वर रामचंद्र की जय। तधि 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 नक दिनी तधि 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 नक दिनी गीत 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 गीत।
रामाय रामाय अवधपुरी माँ रामाय अवधपुरी माँ अवधपुरी माँ अवधपुरी माँ रामाय रामाय।
श्री राम आए, राम आए, श्री राम आए, श्री राम आए सौभाग्य छाए, श्री राम आए
सौभाग्य छाए,
सौभाग्य छाए,
सौभाग्य छाए,
सौभाग्य छाए, सौभाग्य 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 छाए।
राम 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 राम
मातः अयि मातः प्रपश्यताम् प्रत्यागतोऽस्मि राघवः आजू मामा मंदिर उजरल भैला 14 बरस का तमसक गेला। देख देख तब अंगक ज्योति तुहु मम राम दृढ़ मन भाति। मात पुकारही हिम्मत कुमति को जानत नाही मोर पापन को। पति तनु त्याजिला पुतर छाड़ी गेला। अवध नगरे घन तामस छावला। तुहार सपन पूता जीवन जुवन दगध भैला सब। जानो मुई कारण मात पुकारही हिम्मत कुमति को जानत नाही मोर पापन को।
तवै तदा शिशा माता दशाननो मया हतः। सुग्रीवो बन्धवो लब्धः सौमित्रेर्भ्रातृताज्ञता। सीतायाश्च मयि प्रेम पौलोम्यायत् सुदुर्लभम्। ऋते भवत्कृपालेशम् अज्ञातं स्यान्निचरितम्। अज्ञातं स्यान्निचरितम्। सौभाग्यं त्वत्प्रसादान् मे यशो लाभस्तु एव च। बहुविधा परिज्ञाताः गतयो जीवनस्य च। जीवनस्य च dhate dhinak dini dhate dhinak dini nak dini nak dini dhate dhinak dini dhate dhinak dini dhate dhinak dini nak dini nak Shri Ram aaye saubhagya chaaye Shri Ram aaye saubhagya chaaye Dhei dhei nak dini dhei dhei nak dini dhei dhei nak dini nak dini nak dini
Firstly, I would love to congratulate Warrior Foundation for coming up with such an innovative idea, Pratiroop, which enable the young dancers like us to learn from other gurus and to widen our artistic perspective, to come out of our comfort zone and to challenge us to do something new. I'm grateful to my guru, Srimati Sharmila Biswas, who always pushes me to do something new and always push me to widen my possibilities as an artist, and for a constant support and love. I'm grateful to Neena Prasad ji, who have mentored me for this one long month. This 1 month with her was full of learning and truly an eye-opener. Thank you, Neena ji, for accepting me, even knowing so less and little about me. I'm grateful to all your generosity and encouragement. From the very beginning, she was with me. She helped me to develop the concept, to develop the character, and I have thoroughly enjoyed the whole process with her. I wish that this whole 1 month project, it should have extended more so that I have more time to be with Neena ji and to learn a lot from her. I'm very happy that I'm been surrounded with people who have helped me in every step. I'm grateful to my colleague. I'm grateful to Srijan Chatterjee. Srijan Chatterjee has given music to my piece, and within a very small span of time, with limited resource, Srijan Chatterjee has wonderfully developed the music for Kaikei. I'm very, very thankful to Srijan Chatterjee. I'm thankful to my technical team, Bitan Basu and Jeet Sen Gupta, for filming the entire process and editing it. I'm thankful to Tamunash Chakraborty for helping me with the text. I'm very, very thankful to my colleague Monami Nondi for her support. She has given her voice for recitation and for singing just like a dancer. I'm thankful to my entire OVM family for supporting me. Once again, I'm thankful to my guru. I'm thankful to Neena ji. I'm thankful to Warrior Foundation. Namaskar.